Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Telegram login widget for mobile apps step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a Telegram bot set up and the necessary API keys ready. First, open your mobile app project in your preferred development environment. Next, navigate to the part of your app where you want to integrate the Telegram login widget. Add the Telegram SDK to your project if you haven't done so already. Now, initialize the Telegram SDK within your application. Create a new activity or fragment where the login button will reside. In this activity or fragment, implement the layout for the Telegram login button. Next, set an on-click listener for the Telegram login button. Inside the on-click listener, configure the login request parameters. Specify your bot token, the scope of requested permissions, and the redirect URL. Once the parameters are set, initiate the Telegram login process. After the user authorizes, Telegram will redirect to your specified URL. At this stage, collect the authentication response from the redirect. Parse the response to extract the user information and authentication token. Verify the token with your server to ensure it's valid. Once validated, create a session for the user in your mobile app. Finally, inform the user of the successful login, and direct them to the main application interface. That concludes the step-by-step process for authorizing users with the Telegram login widget in your mobile application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.